It's a holiday-shortened week in the U.S. Thanksgiving Day is a holiday on Thursday, and the day after will be a half day for the markets. It will be fairly quiet on the global economic calendar. Bigger picture issues on the fundamental front, including tax reform in the U.S. and geopolitics, will be monitored. On Tuesday, RBA Governor Lowe will deliver a speech in Sydney, Australia. He will speak on some evolving questions. Markets will also keep an eye on the RBA's minutes from its November meeting. And in the U.S., housing figures in the form of existing home sales are set for release. October sales are forecast to rise 0.2% from 0.7% in the previous month. And later in the day, Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen will be speaking at NYU's Stern Business School. On Wednesday, UK Chancellor Philip Hammond will present his budget to Parliament. Meanwhile, Eurozone consumer confidence is set for release. The November reading is expected to slip 0.9% after the minus 1% posted in the prior month. And due to the Thanksgiving Day holiday, U.S. weekly jobless claims will be released a day early, along with the final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. The index is forecast to rise to 98.1 from 97.8 in the preliminary report. Also in the U.S., durable goods orders for October will be coming out. The preliminary reading is forecast to rise 0.3% after the 2% gain in September. And the FOMC meeting minutes from November will be coming out in the afternoon. While Thursday is Thanksgiving in the U.S., a slew of economic data will be released on the other side of the Atlantic. And on Friday, German IFO figures for November will be released. The expectations index is forecast to pull back to 108.8 from 109.1 in the prior month, while the business climate reading is expected to come in at 116.5 from 116.7 in the prior month. It is a half day for U.S. markets on Friday, but the preliminary market PMI composite data is set to come out and will be coming in at 55.4 from 55.7 in the prior month. Manufacturing is forecast to stay unchanged at 54.5, while services is set to improve to 55.9. And taking a look at the FX markets, euro dollar is down 0.4% on Monday at 1.1744. In commodities, WTI is off 1.2% at $55.85 a barrel, while spot gold is off 0.8% at $12.85.60. And from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Remy Blair reporting for ICM Capital.